So like I said in the beginning of section 3, sections 3, 4, and 5 were all about this one composite image. Now, I want you to take everything you've learned, layer masks, blend modes, select and mask, the different techniques that we've learned, and apply them to your own creative idea for a composite image. It can be whatever you want. It doesn't have to have the same vibe as my picture. It can look like anything. I just want it to be yours, but I want you to apply what you've learned. It doesn't have to be overwhelming, like you can't only do something that makes it really obvious that you used a layer mask. Apply it in like subtle ways if you want to, or big ways, experiment, have fun with it, but go take your camera, take some pictures and composite them together in Photoshop and make it your own. Try to apply what we've learned in these 3 sections to your composite. And then what I want you to do is please post to the Facebook group so I and the other classmates can see what you've been working on. Don't worry too much if either you don't think it's good enough or if you're worried for any reason, don't be, because the Facebook group is really just a group of people who are all at different stages of this course, but are all here to learn and give feedback and to get feedback on their own images. So don't be afraid to post there, and please be open to criticism when you do, because a lot of people are going to have good ideas that might improve your picture. They are also students, so they might have bad ideas or maybe just ideas that you don't want to use in your picture. Be okay with that, but let people comment, let people criticize, and then take what you want and improve upon that, So don't have any fear about posting to the group. Please do, because I really want to see what you've been doing and how your composites are coming together. So I will see you in the next section.